That's really not even.
I try to mess you up.
No,
I try to mess you up.
That was not. That is not even close
No,
to
no, no,
being
no.
even. That I don't even know.
Hey, Rax.
Welcome back. And
Welcome
welcome
back.
back. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jay. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe for the vibes.
And my name is Trent. Like, comment, share. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so whenever we post a video, you will receive it. Also, give this video a thumbs up with a smile. If you want to see more challenge, we have a lot more challenges.
Yes.
But give this video a thumbs up with a smile, huh?
Okay. We are going to get into what we have today, and it is a challenge. Team Trend versus Team J. We've been here before, I'm pretty sure.
Rax, listen, let me tell you. I got this. We're going to pray.
Okay.
Look who said we're going to pray. I said we're going to pray.
I didn't even realize you
because
did.
I got this. They wondering what this is. Don't worry about it. Go, honey.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen. All right, what we have here today is
Introduce.
a bread tower. No, I'm lying. We're going to do a challenge. Back in my days when I was younger, I used to love hors bread. It's a Jamaican bread. Hors bread.
Hard dough. Pretty sure you guys have heard of this one before.
Condense milk. We are going to mash up the thing.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to do 5 minutes to see who could eat the most hors bread with condensed milk. I have these here. I'm going to throw our milk in here because we don't want to take it out the can.
Yeah, that's not fair.
So we're going to throw it in the bag. Hold on.
I got the 5 minutes already. Okay.
All right, look, guys. Milky.
Ooh. And if you know of condensed milk, it's extremely sweet. Extremely sweet. So this is a pretty sweet challenge if you ask me.
All right, guys.
Have you guys ever tried this before?
And
if you
haven't, try it.
And if you have, comment down below and tell me how much you enjoyed it.
All right, so we got our knife to butter the bread.
Is this mine? This one's
now we
mine?
butter with milk. Yep.
This is mine. Okay.
That's Jay's one. This is mine. Milk.
Milk.
So we're gonna split the bread. I don't know. We'll see. All right.
That's really not even.
I try to mess you up. I try to mess you up.
That was not. That is not even close to being
no.
even. That I don't even know.
Wait a minute.
How you did that? How did you manage to do?
I was kind of trying to cheat a little bit.
Kind of
trying to cheat a little bit. I'm be honest about it. All right, guys. Here we go.
Hold on. I gotta.
Let's
You
put the
no.
talking.
You gotta wait. Because I have to start the timer. All right.
Look at my face.
You know what?
I'm so happy about this.
Okay. All right. Ready? Okay. Go. You know what? Let's make this a little bit easier for you guys to see it.
Oh my God. This milk is so thick.
It's like peanut butter, but peanut butter is not.
Guys, can you see the milk? All right, I'm milk.
I'm not sure you guys. I can't eat and talk. Not with this one. Guys, I gotta finish the challenge first. Do we get to drink?
No drinking.
You know what? You're good without drinking.
We could.
Mm-mm.
Because I'm a choke. I can't even swallow.
I heard to feel it.
I'm going to drink.
No drink.
Guys, if you ever have had outdoor bread before, this is not like American bread.
It's not soft.
If you're not, you will choke. Real talk. If you don't drink. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Did you hear me tell the story about being a kid eating this?
I heard it too. And I thought to myself, this is not gonna work for me, because I haven't eaten this in so long.
No.
Get that milk out of here. The milk kind of makes it a little bit softer though.
Over time.
Mm-hmm. Gives you that moist feeling. You know. Can you do 2 at a time?
Nobody made the rules.
Are we doing a challenge without no rules?
Wait. Oh, we only challenging each other.
I know about
How much you at?
2. No. Mm-hmm. That's gonna be a hard 2 for you. I'll tell you that. Hmm? You have 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Mm. I can't even swallow it. Well, recorded. Guys, Rax, this is what I call it.
Time. Time.
I'll say that. J1 again. I tried. I can only
I
try.
gotta finish this first. Oh,
Water.
goodness.
Alright, guys.
Oh,
How was that? It was good. I think it was really good. It was
it was really sweet.
in the middle of the bread. It got soggy there for a while.
Make it really nice and soft, so it's nice to chew and it's easy to go down, so it's moist. I did not feel like I was choking, but however,
She looked like she was choking.
I did. And if I gave an impression, I just want to clarify it. I was not choking. The milk softened it for me, and I did win. I'm not gonna gloat. I'm not gonna do that.
So it's another challenge that I lost,
No.
And as usual, I don't feel like a loser at all. I don't.
You know what?
I
You
rather
should.
lose to my lover.
Ha! There
And
we
my
go.
friend.
There we
And my
go.
situation, my entanglement. No, we don't have entanglement. No, we don't have. No, we don't. Listen, comment down below if you would like to see us do more challenges like this.
And
comment-
this one is a Jamaican challenge,
Mhm.
and it was really fun.
Listen, just comment Team Trent. That's me. Don't
What?
worry,
No,
don't worry about Jay.
no.
You don't have to comment Team J because she always win anyway.
No,
Come on.
no.
You guys have to give
No.
me something to look forward to. Come on. Hey, look at my face. I have a fighting face.
You do. You do. You do.
All right, so comment below. Let us know if you want to see us do more challenges like this. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do turn on the notification bell so whenever we post a video, you will receive it. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want more challenges like this. this is where we leave you. Until we meet again.
Have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.